so Bae is about to change out my chandelier. I will link the new chandelier that we got. So, but just wanted you to see the old one before he changes it. So, yeah. So we had to move everything so he can get over there. So you can get a good look. This is the chandelier that came with the house when we moved in. We figured that we can easily replace it and find something that we really liked versus getting one of the options that they had available in the showroom. So I found something that I really liked, and stay tuned. So that's basically the chandelier without the crystals on there. And so I will be installing these. They're currently still wrapped up. So this is the final look. So I will link the chandelier in the description. So for those who would like to purchase it, they can. So what I did was I did a different pattern that was presented in the book. Let me see if I actually have the pattern. Okay, so this is what was presented on the book. I did not want that. I wanted to look more like if you went to a cave and you saw crystals hanging from the cave. So that's the pattern that they presented. This is the pattern that I created. So it does not look like that. As you can see, it has more of a like I said, if you was in a cave and you saw crystals hanging, that was the look that I was going for. And so that is what it looks like. Once I get the dining room put back together, I will show you the final look. But I did want you to see the original chandelier that we had in there when we first moved in. So this is the freebie that came with the house, and this is the one that I chose. I love it. It is so beautiful. So again, I will show you what everything looks like once I get the room put back together. Okay, and this is what it looks like with the chandelier completed. So there you go.